Naku, pag mabigat po ang mga pinapasan nyo sa buhay, sabi ho sa scripture, di ba, come to me, all you are weary and heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Nasa Panginoon ang kapahingahan. Ang ibig sabihin nun, hindi tatanggalin yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Pero habang ginagawa mo at habang ini-exert mo yung effort mo, binibigyan ka niya ng sapat na lakas, binibigyan ka niya ng sapat na talino, binibigyan ka niya ng kung anong kailangan mo para magawa itong mga bagay na ito. So you come to Him when you're weary and heavy laden at ibibigyan ka ng Panginoon ng kapahingahan. Ang assurance doon ay si Lord ang kakarga sa'yo. Lord, ang bigat nitong dala ko, hindi ko to kaya. Tulungan mo kong magbuhat nito. And pag sinabi mo yun kay Lord, hindi ka bibiguin ni Lord. Bakit? He is a God who hears the cries of His people. And when you seek for His help, He's going to give it. You just have to trust that He is able, that He is willing, and that He is good. He will do it because you cried out and depended on Him alone.